There we are. That's the very last brick. Brilliant, eh? What do you think?
How many bricks did you use?
15,697.
How long did it take you to build it?
Oh, weeks, months, ages.
Did you build it on your own?
Of course I did. Didn't. Actually, all I did was his nose, I'm afraid. Sorry. Now, this is Adam Brick. He's been specially built to go to shows and exhibitions. And as I said before, he's made of 15,697 bricks, and it took someone 4 weeks to make him. Now, these bricks come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes, just like you saw earlier in the programme. Any idea how many different kinds of brick there are?
I think 59. I think 29.
Well, actually, there are over 200 different kinds of brick. Now, you might be thinking, duh, what's all this got to do with the human body? Well, real bodies are made of building bricks too, only they're tiny living building bricks called cells.
Well done, Mr. B. You've been swatting up, haven't you? In fact, it takes 50 billion cells to make an adult human body. That's 50,000 million cells. And there are a lot more different sorts of cells than there are different kinds of Lego brick. B? Where's he gone?
He's over by that table, actually.
Oh, thanks very much. Oh. B, what are you doing?
I'm looking for some cells, Nick. If we've got 50 billion of them, I should be able to spot 1 or 2.
Oh, don't be daft. You'll never see them with that. It takes 50 billion to build a body because they're so tiny. You need a microscope to see them. Well, here's the microscope. All we need now is some cells.
Oh, yuck, City, what are you doing?
Oh, the cells lining your mouth are very loose and they're always coming off and being replaced by new ones. So it's easy to dislodge a few by scraping gently. Now then, if I bung that under there, take a look.
Oh, they're like little boxes with blobs in the middle.
That's exactly what they are. Minute boxes of life. Except that the walls of the box are made of stuff called membrane, which is very thin and bendy and full of tiny holes to let things in and out. That black blob in the middle is called the nucleus. It's the cell's control centre. B? Oh, he's gone again. Well, the average size of a cell is 1/30th of a millimetre. So if this is one cell, that means that you could fit this many onto this space. And even the biggest cell in an adult human body is only this big, size of a pinprick.
Right, I think I've got a pretty good idea of what a cell looks like now. See, there's the cell membrane, all nice and squishy, and that's the nucleus that controls all that the cell does.
There's a lot more to cells than that, you know. Inside the cell is this living soup, and inside that are lots of tubes and little sacs made of membrane that do special jobs for the cell, like burning food to make energy. You see, cells don't just build bodies in the same way that bricks build houses. Cells do everything for bodies too. All the jobs from protecting you from germs to sending messages around your brain.
Oh, I see. All those different jobs around the body are done by cells just like this.
Well, not quite. This is the basic plan, but there are lots of different sorts of cells, and each one is built to do a special job. It's a bit like clothes. I mean, your clothes have all got places for your arms and your legs and your body, right? But you wear different sorts of clothes for different things. Now do you understand?
Oh, yeah. Bonjour, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the first ever Cell Fashion Show. Today you will be seeing some of the designs in cells that have made the body design house the great success it is today. First, the simple, classic look of the epithelial cell. These little boxy cells fit together perfectly, and together they are the perfect lining and covering for almost any part of the body. They can be fitted with neat internal bags that empty all sorts of useful things into the bloodstream. And now for something a little more sophisticated, the nerve cell. The nucleus on this cell is worn in the star-like part, with a very long tapering end attached. It's the perfect shape for gathering electrical messages at the points of the star and passing them on down the long train to the next nerve cell. Essential for sport and exercise of all kinds, the muscle cell. They come in a long, streamlined shape and a sporty stripe pattern. But these stripes aren't only decorative, they are the pattern of fibers that shorten and lengthen to make the muscle work. And what would muscles do without bones? These simple, chic little rounded cells have an hidden talent. They make and pump out all around them the hard material we call bone. And last of all, the greatest of minimalist design, the blood cell. His very slim and scooped out shape is perfect for carrying oxygen. Everything here is reduced to the bare essentials. Even the nucleus has been cut out to give a streamlined efficiency. We only have time to show you a few today, but there are many other designs in the Body Collection. Good old cousin Antoine. He's French, you know. I think I'm beginning to understand now, Nick. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. How can all those teeny tiny things in funny shapes go to make up a body?
By sticking together. After all, you couldn't do very much with just one of each sort of building brick, could you? So cells of the same sort stick together. They form a tissue.
Bless you.
No, a tissue.
I haven't got a tissue.
No, a tissue is what you call a lot of the same sort of cells stuck together. And each sort of tissue does one job in the body. Oh, come on, I'm sure I can explain with the help of our Superbods super cells. Start with an easy one, right? This cell's name is epithelial. On its own, it's just a block and it's no big deal. But join it together with lots of the same. They form a tissue and lining's their game.
We're epithelial cells. We're simple but we're swell cells. We make linings for your insides with a hold you together real well cells. We line your tubes and the lungs in your chest and the walls of your tummy. That's what we do best.
A nerve cell looks like a tiny tree, but one's no good to you or to me. Join them together with lots of the same. They can pass signals around your body and brain.
We're your nerve and brain cells. We link together like chain cells. We can pass messages quick as a flash. We're your body's express train cells. We go all around your body in single file. If you laid us in a line, we'd go 45 miles. Now to the next one.
Yep.
This stripy tube is a muscle cell, but one on its own won't do too well until you join them together with lots of the same, and you've got muscles to take the strain. We stretch and we pull and we hustle and we bustle. We're the cells that make muscle. Everywhere in your body you'll find that you've got them, the smallest in your eye and the largest in your bottom. One little spiky cell, no great shapes, but wait till you hear what this cell makes. When you join them together with lots of the same, they make a tissue to build your frame. We're your body's bone cells, keep working till you've grown cells. We mix cement and calcium with a build your skeleton cells. Our cement and calcium mix makes a lot of bones, 206.
This red blood cell's quite unusual. It has no nucleus, but it's crucial. Join it together with lots of the same. They feed every part of your body and brain.
We are your red blood cells. We're certainly not dud cells. We carry all your oxygen. We're the keep you feeling good cells. The oxygen gets to every cell, so they keep on doing their thing real well. We're epithelial cells. We're your nerve and brain cells. We're the cells that make muscle, and we're your body's bone cells. So remember,
One little cell on its own may look odd when they all work together.
you're Superbods! So our bodies are made up of tiny cells formed into tissues.
Yeah, that's right, but there are lots more different kinds of cells and tissues than the ones we've just sung about. And remember, each sort of tissue only does one tiny job. When you need a really big job done in the body, you have to have lots of different tissues working together, and that makes an organ. Think of any important job that the body does, and it's done by an organ.
Pumping blood round the body.
Well, the organ that does that is the heart, and the heart is made of muscle tissue, and nerve tissue, and lining tissue, and quite a few others besides. Come on, Bee, think of another one. What about your digesting organ? That's your stomach. Or your breathing organs, those are your lungs. B? B? Oh, where's he gone now?
Look what I found. Box of tissues. Not that kind of tissue. These. Look, I've got muscles, nerves, general lining tissue. Oh, and connective tissue for holding everything together. And loads of blood. Right, time to meet me makers. I suppose we need something to help this blood get round the body. What are you lot making?
Heart. A heart is made of muscle. It has to be made out to muscle to pump the blood in and out.
What are the veins and blood vessels made of?
Lining tissue and sticky tissue for strength.
Now, where does the blood go in?
Blue.
And where does it come out?
Red.
Oh, well, in that case, we can start filling up the vessels with blood. Brilliant. I'll bung it all in. Oh, no. I just thought of something. How does the heart know when to beat? See you later.
By getting messages from the brain and nerves.
Oh, right, yeah, because the brain itself is like a whole mass of nerves all joined together, isn't it?
It's got lots of blood vessels to keep supplies of food and oxygen coming in.
What are you lot making? Lungs. Lungs. Oh, yeah. This fine lining material. All these air sacs. And more blood vessels. What's this for, Sarah?
It's sticky connective tape to hold it all together.
Phew, this is turning out to be quite hard work. I think I need some help. Where is everybody? Come on, team. Where are all those bones and muscles? Come on.
Let's connect our heart and brain with the nerves!
Come on, liver and stomach. Don't forget the intestines.
Lungs and ears!
That's 13 vital organs,
6 basic types of tissue.
all covered in
Skin!
and 50 billion cells.
All to make one Superbod! Yay!